-1 degrees. I'll give you a quick rundown of where I've been. So I was like, right, that's it. I'm going to start uploading 2 videos or 3 videos a week or whatever I said, right? Anyway, I uploaded like my 2nd video, I think it was, in the week. And my GoPro Hero 8 broke. Literally, I couldn't even believe it. Like, you can't write that sort of shit. Like, I can't even believe it fucking broke. So I contacted GoPro and they sent me out a new GoPro, which I'm using now, completely free of charge, because the Christmas sales had crashed their system. How fucking lucky. So you get the GoPro subscription that you can get, which I think is like £5 or something a month, which you get a free GoPro in theory, no questions asked. But the catch with that is you don't actually get a free GoPro, you just have to pay half the price of what the GoPro would normally be. So they're like, it's normally 130 quid, 140 quid, because they retail for like 300. And I was like, oh, fucking hell. They're like, but you're lucky, our system's crashed over the Christmas holiday. And I was like, ah, yeah, amazing. So, furthermore, to add to that, they said, your GoPro Hero 8 Black is currently out of date. So they gave me a new GoPro Hero, and they gave me a Hero 9. And I was like, there's no way. So, yeah, hopefully the video quality is going to probably be the same, to be honest. Because I record in 2.7K. It's just the best for editing wise. And because when I edit it down, it goes probably to about 1080p, because the 2.7K just stops all the pixelization and stuff. And it allows me to make slow-mo shots if I need to. So yeah, that's the story of my life at the moment. I can't believe it. So hopefully I can start uploading again. I'm dead excited about. Anything else new to report on? I nearly binned my bike, so as you can probably tell from all my YouTube videos, I can be quite an aggressive rider. I was doing wheelies. I'd just say wheelies, like fuck it, right? Boo Rider seems to think, Boo Rider in 61 is my dad, but he's like, you can't wheelie, what the fuck you on about? But I was doing wheelies. I had traction control turned off. Anyway, I left traction control turned off when I went past H Cafe. I was riding fine, and I was like, fuck it, like, I want to take a detour home. So I didn't go the normal way through Reading. Fucking hell, this guy's number plate. It's D-DO3AN space J. That's fucking illegal. I don't know why that fucking lorry takes up so much fucking room. So yeah, so anyway, I literally accelerated. It was literally just how it is now. It's probably about 5 degrees. There was no drain covers. It was dry, like, so I was wheeling. And just literally lost the whole bike. The whole bike just went from underneath me, really. And I saved it. I don't know how I saved it. I generally have no... I can't sit here and say I'm an amazing rider. I saved it because of that. I'm not, like... And the only reason I think I can say is, I think all the experience that I have riding in this type of weather kind of paid off a bit, and like my instant reactions kind of took over. Like, it's 11:41 at night at the moment, you know, and I'm just going for a little night ride. So yeah, that's my life. So hopefully start uploading 3 videos a week. It's just... Oh, fuck. I didn't think I was going to fucking turn then. I was going to say, it's just so easy to go over 100 miles an hour. I don't know. I don't even have no valid excuse for you guys. Like, it's just done by accident. Well, not done by accident. It's just twist of the throttle, isn't it? It just happens, man. So what we're doing, we're riding to go meet a load of bikers, and I think there's one car driver in a fucking Volvo. Oh, that's a fucking thing. I met Rev Bomb and Boo Rider and BBB at a Super Sausage Cafe. I was going around here, this is Bracknell by the way, and and I got pulled over by an unmarked fucking Volvo at like 8:30 in the morning. It literally said to me, he was like, I don't know how fast you're going, but if you're loud enough, if you're smart enough to make your bike loud, just smart enough to make it quiet. And it's quite funny, like I was kind of like, you know, it's a bit weird. And there's a police officer, I guess, or detective, I don't know what he does, in the WhatsApp group chat from Milton Keynes way. I'm not sure if he has a YouTube channel, it's called Paul. Anyway, I was speaking to him, fucking amazing guy, like, so much respect for him, apart from I take the piss out of him all the time. You know, good little piggy he is. And he was like, mate, just fucking ignore it, man. Like if I pulled you over, I probably wouldn't even have pulled you over. Like, I think it's quite cool. Man, I hate wearing glasses in this weather. I literally can't see shit. So, yeah, that happened. Anyway, we're going to go film a little promo. Not a promo. I've got the Hero 9 now, and I've got it set up now. I just want to go film a video. So I told my mate, I was like, where are you? And he's like, well, I've got the S1000 out. So I was like, yeah, fuck it, let's meet up. I'll do a quick half an hour, 45-minute little shoot for him to make a little 3-second fucking edit. Oh, mate, I genuinely can't fucking see. I can't hear.
I said that don't sound too healthy.
No, it's fine.
It rattles.
Yeah, it's a CP4 engine, it rattles.
When I get that match, I'm gonna swap.
But yeah, I might even show the little clip that I just was in. Fuck it, why not?
Tell me that you need me, can you go and tie me down? Go away. You told me that you're sorry, didn't think I'd turn around.
Yo, Vanessa got the sauce.
Too late to apologize. It's too late.
What?
I said it's too late to apologize. It's too late.
Yo, I'm thankful, I'm grateful, stayed humble, I'm faithful.
I have so many videos coming out, and I'll quickly touch on something before I go. I wanted to touch on like who I know in the bike industry and how I grew my network so big. My network's so big, if I wanted to, I reckon I could start my own drug cartel. Not even fucking joking, like. So stay tuned for that video.